In this video, I'm breaking down how to handle landscaping damage and repair when your home renovation messes with your yard or garden, because let's be real, those extra landscaping repair costs can sneak up on you fast. When you're planning any big project around your house, it's super important to think about how the work might wreck your outdoor space. First off, always protect your landscaping before any heavy work starts. Cover plants with tarps or build temporary barriers to keep dirt, debris, and heavy equipment off your grass and flower beds. Also, plan your landscaping restoration ahead of time so you know exactly what needs fixing or replanting once the dust settles. Don't forget to add a landscaping budget right into your project costs, because repairs and replacements can get pricey if you're caught off guard. If you're working with contractors, make sure they know to be careful around your yard and check in regularly to spot any damage early. Another smart move is to mark out sensitive areas clearly so nobody accidentally drives over a flower bed or stomps on new grass. Keep a checklist of what your yard looked like before starting so you can compare and know what exactly needs fixing later. And lastly, if you want to save some cash, consider doing small landscaping repairs yourself after the main renovation is done. One of the biggest mistakes people make with landscaping damage during renovations is not protecting their plants and lawns from the start, which leads to crushed grass and broken branches everywhere. Another common issue is totally forgetting to budget for landscaping repair, so when the bill comes, it feels like a nasty surprise, and that stress is the last thing you need during a renovation. Lastly, not communicating clearly with contractors about what areas are off limits or need special care ends up with accidental damage that could have been avoided with just a little heads up. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot if you're trying to find trusted local contractors who know how to handle both renovations and landscaping without trashing your yard. Plus, it's a solid way for contractors to connect with homeowners who need their skills, so everyone wins when the work gets done right the first time.